Hello, my name is Sebastián Pertuz, and this video presents my solution for the first exam of Emerging IoT Technologies in Industry 4.0. The objective of this project is to design an IoT-based smart home system capable of reducing energy consumption and improving security, while allowing the system to be monitored and controlled from a mobile device. And to achieve this a network infrastructure and several IoT devices were implemented using Cisco Packet Tracer. Well, according to the requirements of the assignment, the system must first be based on IoT technology and control from a mobile device. Second, allow control of the uh, house lighting system and verify that doors are closed, monitor two surveillance cameras, include the network devices and their configuration, and present a budget for the solution. And this proposal addresses all these requirements through a smart home IoT network. So, the network infrastructure includes the following devices: a server, a switch, a wireless router, and multiple um, IoT devices such as lights, doors, windows, cameras, and appliances, and a mobile device used for monitoring and control. So the server and router act as the central components of the network, allowing all IoT devices to communicate and be monitored. So first, we're going to the server configuration. Here, and the configuration was done with a static IP address. It is this one right here. We set an subnet mask and a default gateway. Although this is set automatically, the subnet mask. Then we go to the service DHCP. We turn um, the service on, and uh, the DHCP service was active on the server so that IoT devices can automatically receive IP addresses when connecting to the network. Then the DHCP configuration included the address, the start address here, the the subnet mask, the maximum number of users, and that's all. And this allows the network to automatically assign IP addresses to connected devices. Then we go to the router configuration right here. First, the router was set to work as a wireless access point, allowing IoT devices to connect through Wi-Fi. Then, um, the wireless network settings were configured. We set an SSID broadcast IoT1. We set the security WAP2 password personal, and the password right here. So here we set the that's what I said, WPA2 personal, and the password is this one right here, IoT12345. And this ensures that the devices can connect securely to the network. Then the IoT devices used. So here, the system includes several IoT devices that provide automation and security functions in the home. And these include smart lights for lighting control, smart uh, doors that monitor whether doors are open or closed, window sensors for additional security, surveillance cameras for monitoring the house, and smart appliance. And also a solar panel right here for energy efficiency. So all devices are connected to the same wireless network and communicate with the server. So this is an example of the one IoT device configuration. This one right here is a light. So the process is similar for all IoT devices. For example, in the case of a smart light, the device is configured by connecting it right here wireless, connecting it to the wireless network using the SSID that we said before. And and the security protocol WPA2PSK using the same password configured on the router before. Then IP configuration is set to DHCP, allowing the device to connect to automatically receive an IP address from the server. And finally, right here, the device can be monitored um, and controlled from the IoT monitoring system. We set this remote server, we set the IP of the server, and we set the username and password that we actually have to set on the server, configuring the server right here. We go to IoT monitor right here, and we log out and then we can create our account. Mine is already created, so I have this already set. But here is where we can set the username and the password. So we can here monitor all the devices. Like I can turn this on or off, all of the devices. And here we have the smartphone. Also, we go to the same page, IoT monitor, and the system can be controlled from a mobile device, as we can see. The smartphone connects to the same wireless network through the IoT monitoring interface. The user can view all connected devices and interact with them. And from this interface, it is possible to turn light off, uh, check the status of doors and windows like this, open, unlock, like this. And you can monitor surveillance cameras like this. You can control other connected smart devices. So this demonstrates how IoT technology allows remote monitoring and control of the smart home system. So it's gotta be all. In conclusion, this project demonstrates how an IoT-based smart home system can improve both energy efficiency and home security. So that was all. Thank you so much.